fact, Prime Minister Modi has emphasized on India's capacity to produce quality vaccines at low cost. Earlier today, we saw how the Prime Minister held its first ever video conference summit with the Australian Prime Minister. And now we are seeing that there is a vaccine summit that is currently underway, which is in fact being headed by Prime Minister Modi on behalf of India. And the Indian Prime Minister is attending this UK-led Global Vaccine Summit 2020. Prime Minister Modi has also emphasized on India's capacity to produce quality vaccines at low cost as well. He has also went on to state that UK in a way is also leading from the top when it comes to production of the vaccines as well. Let's go across to our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, is also joining us over the phone line. So, Aishwarya, India is amongst the 50 countries and organizations confirmed to participate in this UK-led virtual global vaccine summit. Take us through the details.
Well, at this point of time, it is clear that, yes, Government of India and then the Prime Minister representing India has made something very clear that India is very positive about it. And there are more than 30 teams which are working independent of each other in India itself, who are trying to reach for a conclusion regarding a vaccine, a counter to this global pandemic. Prime Minister understands that, yes, every country has been working throughout day and night to basically achieve this COVID-19 vaccine, but they have not been successful till now. Hence, it requires more coordination. It requires the world powers to work in tandem. It requires all of these countries who have their supremacy in pharmacy and in this kind of medical innovation to come together and then find a counter for COVID-19. And the Prime Minister has basically given a message that he is very positive about it. He is very optimistic that, yes, all of us coming together will be able to achieve that really soon.
Absolutely, Aishwarya. In fact, we listen in to this Prime Minister's reaction coming in from the UK-led Global Vaccine Summit, where he spoke about India's role in this fight against the pandemic. Let's take a look.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to address you. Gavi is not just a global alliance. It is also a symbol of global solidarity and a reminder that by helping others, we can also help ourselves. We understand the importance of immunization. One of the first programs launched by my government was Mission Indradhanush. It aims to ensure full vaccination of our children and pregnant women. Excellencies, India is also the world's foremost producer of vaccines. We are fortunate to contribute to immunization of about 60% of the world's children. Excellencies, India recognizes and values the work of Gavi. That is why we become a donor to Gavi while still being eligible for Gavi support. Our support to Gavi is not only financial. India's huge demand brings down the global price of vaccine. Excellencies, in today's challenging context, I want to reiterate that India stands in solidarity with the world. Our proven capacity to produce quality medicines and vaccines at low cost, our own domestic experience in rapidly expanding immunization, and our considerable scientific research talent, these are all at the service of humanity. Once more, my best wishes for the success of Gavi and its critical mission and of today's meeting. You can count on India's support.